Alright guys, welcome back. This is episode 2 of TechMo trading course. We're still on our upper chart indicators, and on this quick video we're going to look at the Heikin Ashi candlestick and the MACD histogram crossover. Um, with that being said, I use Heikin Ashi over your traditional candlesticks. Where can you find that? If you go on Thinkorswim and you go to this little style button up here, then you just go to your chart type, and then you can go over to Heikin Ashi. Alright, with Heikin Ashi, the reason why I prefer it is because visually it's just easier to maintain the trend. It helps keep the emotion side out of it, because when you see a lot of red, emotionally you want to start doubting what you're looking at. So when we have the Heikin Ashi, the reason why it looks so much more green and then so much more red is because it uses a different average system than your traditional candlestick. Your traditional candlestick basically uses the formula of open, high, low, close, whereas the Heikin Ashi formula is close, open, high, low. So with that being said, it's averaging in a way that you can see the trend more clearly. So I use Heikin Ashi candlesticks. Okay, with that being said, the last part of the uppers, again, we have to go to studies. We have to edit the studies, and we have to add the MACD histogram. All you have to do is type in MACD on this and go to the histogram crossover. Once we have that over here, the only thing you have to do is make sure it is negative to positive, and then just change the color whatever you want so that you can visually see it. Now, what does that do for us on our actual chart? On our chart, we actually will have all it does is carry the MACD from the bottom, which we haven't gone over our lowers yet, but it carries the MACD information from the bottom when we get a positive crossover, and it just shows you on top when that happens. So visually you can just see it line up a little bit better right here. So it's our MACD indicator. So wherever you have a MACD crossover, it will appear on the upper chart as well, and that just helps line it up, which you'll see in the following videos. So stay tuned as we progress into the chart setup and we build off of the lower indicators, which you can see here what we have, but I'll dive into them a little bit in these next few videos as we put together this whole trending system. So stay tuned. Thank you guys very much. Make sure you subscribe and like these videos so we can keep the ball rolling and keep teaching and keep learning and having fun. All right, thanks.